Hi sellers, if you're a new seller and you've just finished your registration process, you may wonder what's the next step for you. Let me help you with that. As soon as we validate your documents, we'll notify you that your store is active and that you have full access to use it. First, set up your warehouse, meaning the location where your products are stored, and even if you have more than one, add them all. In Settings, click Warehouse, click Add Warehouse, and add your warehouse map location, which is the address. Confirm location, and then add the contact details of your team member in the warehouse. We'll then verify and approve your warehouse. Next, start listing your products and update your prices inclusive of VAT and fees. After that, determine which fulfillment models you'd like to choose. We have 2 models, and you can either choose one or both at the same time. The first one is Fulfilled by Noon, which we called FBN. It is our customers' favorite because they receive their products super fast. And it's the easiest for sellers because they only have to send us their products and we'll take care of managing their orders. We'll manage their orders, prepare it, and ship it to the customers. We'll also manage their returns. The second one is Fulfilled by Partner, which we refer to as FBP. This is for sellers who prefer to keep their items within their own warehouses. With this fulfillment model, you'll need to manage your orders, pick and pack your items in the packaging that Noon will provide you with, and we'll help you with shipping the products to customers and returning them back to you also. After you decide which fulfillment model to use, you'll need to make a few updates to your listings, after which your product will go live, without which your product will remain inactive. If you choose FBP, you'll need to update your stock quantities and your processing time. Processing time is the amount of time you need to prepare and hand over your product to Noon for shipping. If you choose FBN, you'll have to send your inventory to Noon. In case you sell health and beauty products or baby products, you'll have to submit one of the following documents. A proof of purchase, B, an authorization letter of distribution, or C, a manufacturer permit. Now you've done everything to make your products live. Once they go live, you can check the live status here. Now our customers can start ordering your products. If you're using FBP, download and install the order management app so you can accept and process your orders. If you're using FBN, well, after you send us your products, you'll just need to sit back and let us take care of it all. That's it. Thanks for watching.